tahimik nating mundo, di natin inakalang magkaganito.
Bigla na lang nagkagulo, ang bulkan ay mag-alboroto. Ang tadhana tila nananadya, bigla ang pagdating nitong pandemya.
Maraming bagay ang nagbago,
Matutuloy pa kaya ang Pasko? Huwag kang mangamba, lahat ay kakayanin basta't nagkakaisa. Tibayan ang loob at sa Diyos ay magdasal. Pagdurusa natin, di na magtatagal. Tayo'y aahon, tayo'y babangon. Pandemya lang ito, Pilipino yata tayo. Tuloy ang Pasko, padayo. Sa pagsubok, tayo'y di bibigay. Sa umagang kay ganda, tayo'y maghihintay.
tamaan man tayo ng bagyo, kapit-bisig lang kaya natin to.
Kaya pangako ko sa'yo, lahat ay kakayanin basta't magtulong tayo. Ibayan ang loob at sa Diyos ay magdasal. Pagdurusa natin, di na magtatagal. Tayo'y aahon, tayo'y babangon. Pandemya lang ito, Pilipino yata tayo. Tuloy ang Pasko. Tayo'y aahon, tayo'y babangon. Pandemya lang ito, Pilipino yata tayo. Tuloy ang Pasko. Pandemya lang ito, Pilipino yata tayo. Tuloy ang Pasko. Pandemya lang ito, Pilipino yata tayo. Tuloy ang Pasko. Padayo.
Ayan, good afternoon. Tapos na po ba tayo mag-lunch? Kasi kami tapos na kumain ng apple kanina. Okay, so mga bata, natutuwa po ba kayo? Marami kayo natutunan kanina. So ngayon, ipagpapatuloy naman natin ang lesson, pero ito, more on level up na ito. So medyo kung kanina natutunan natin yung mga lesson sa math, yung addition, subtraction, multiplication. Ngayon naman, iba naman ito. Kaya hindi na natin patatagalin, tawagin na natin ang ating ginoong tutor, si Teacher Mark. Teacher Mark, nandyan ka na po ba?
Yes, Ma'am Weng. Hello po. So sa ating pong mga viewers sa araw na ito, yung mga learners natin, yung mga mag-aaral, yung mga magulang, at sa aking mga co-teachers, yung mga kapwa-guro po natin na nakasubaybay po ngayon. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat at welcome sa fifth part ng ating ETULay session para sa araw na ito. At handang-handa na ako. Sabi ko nga, naku, magiging math teacher ako sa araw na ito. Math tutor sa araw na ito. And rest assured that I will do my best to deliver this to you properly. Pakiusap lang po, ito po ang mangyayari sa ating session ngayon. I will make sure to instill learnings about this lesson. Kaya ako po ay magsasalita ng wikang Filipino and also speak in English. So ano po siya? Sabay, hindi naman sabay, pero alternate, magta-Taglish po ako kasi nga hindi naman po ako as a teacher who instruct na kinakailangan ay sinusunod yung format. Ako po ay tutor sa araw na ito. Ang target ko, maintindihan ng mga bata ang lesson gaano man ito kahirap.
Yan, tama. Maintindihan sa simpleng paraan. Yan.
Correct. So for today, I will be sharing topic about Math 5 and it's all about decimals. Ayan, nasa place value tayo. Kaya excited na ako. Kung handa na ang ating mga mag-aaral, handang-handa na rin ako, Ma'am Weng.
Sige po, sir. See you later po. Ayan, mga bata, handa na ba kayo? Mga guro at ang mga nanay po dapat nasa tabi kasi ito po, ang maganda po ang topic ni Sir Mark sa hapong ito. Sige po.
Thank you. Sa ating pong mga mag-aaral, umupo na ng maayos at makinig ng mabuti, siguraduhin hawak na ninyo ang inyong kopya ng self-learning module mula sa Pivot, kung saan ito po ay localized SLM ng Calabarzon. Yun po ang ating gagamitin. Sa mga magulang, siguraduhin po na katabi po ninyo ang inyong mga anak, makinig din po ng mabuti para to supplement, you are able to give them and instill to them kung paano po ituro yung mismong lesson. At sa mga kapwa ko guro, hello po at maaari nyo pong i-forward ang mga ito sa inyong mga mag-aaral. Kaya atin na pong simulan. Allow me to share my screen. Okay. For today, we are going to discuss all about place value and the value of a digit of a given decimal number through 10 thousands. I will make sure that I will not be that fast, but I will make it a point that all of you will understand the lesson. So please, mga mag-aaral, ang aking mga tinututuran, makinig po ng mabuti. Bago tayo magsimula, ay nais kong basahin ninyo ang mga sumusunod na salita. Let's have a short drill. Okay? Basahin ang sumusunod. Repeat after me. Once. 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 Tens. 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 Hundreds. 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 Thousands. 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 Kinakailangan ay alam natin ang tamang paraan ng pagbasa ng mga sumusunod na salita. Balikan natin ang unang apat na ito. Ito ang tinatawag natin ng mga place value. Ulitin natin. Ones. Tens. Hundreds. Thousands. Ngunit sa araw na ito, akin ding gagabayan kayo para matutuhan ang paraan ng pagbabasa na may decimal number o yung sa mga may decimal point po. Kaya dapat alam nating basahin yung beyond the decimal point. At ito ang mga place value nila. Tenths. 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 Repeat after me. Hundreds. 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 Next one. Thousands. 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 Last one. 10,000s. 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 Gaya ng inyong nakikita mga bata, ang mga ito ay medyo naiba ang kanilang mga titik. Nadagdagan tayo ng THS. Yung usual natin na tens, pag decimal number ay nagkakaroon na ng TH. Ulitin natin ang pagbabasa. 1, 2, 3. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Para lubos na mas maunawaan ito, ako po ay magpapakita sa inyo sa screen sa pamamagitan ng pagtuturo po mismo na nasa board. Kaya magpaparedy na po ako. Ako po ay mag-shift. So from my station, ako po ay haharap na po muna papunta doon sa board. At sa mga mag-aaral, get ready with your pen and paper. Makinig po sa akin ng mabuti para po habang aking tinuturo sa board ay makasunod po kayo para maintindihan ano ba ang tinatawag natin na place value. Natutunan na tayo kaninang basahin ng mga ito. Ngayon, ituturo ko kung paano sila matukoy sa isang linya. Okay? Ready? So sa ating pong... Ay, pause ko lang. Teka lang po, take 2, nag-feedback. So sa ating pong mga mag-aaral ngayon, sound. Okay na, sir? So sa ating mga mag-aaral ngayon, importante tatandaan natin ang ibig sabihin ng salitang place value. Ang place value na ating tinatawag ay hinahanap natin kung ano ba ang posisyon ng isang numero. Halimbawa, ito ang aking ilalagay. 1,235 and yung n ay yung period. Tapos naglagay pa ako ng isa na 3,457 10,000. Para mas maintindihan po ninyo ang konseptong to, simulan natin doon sa pwesto ng decimal point. Itong decimal point na ito, pagpapunta doon sa kanyang kaliwa, going to the left, yung number 5 o yung unang pwesto pagkatapos ng period, yan ang tinatawag nating ones. Yan ang kanyang place value. Yung pangalawang pwesto, after ones, yan ang tinatawag nating tens. Ones, tens. Yung pangatlong pwesto, ang tinatawag naman natin na hundreds. I hope nakakasunod. Ones, tens, hundreds. At yung pang-apat na pwesto, yan ang tinatawag nating thousands. Basahin ng sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Magaling. Lahat ng mga yan ay makikita going to the left of the decimal point. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It is very important for you to memorize it. Kapag na-memorize na ang movement na ito going to the left, pagkatapos po nito tignan ng decimal point, moving to the left, ganyan po siya. Now, after the decimal point, let's move to the right. Ang susunod pong pwesto ay ang tinatawag natin na tens. Observe kung paano pa siya sinulat. Tens. Magkaiba yung tens at yung tens. Meron na siyang TH. Tens. Ang kasunod niya, yan ang tinatawag naman natin na hundreds. Hundreds. Parang kagaya ng hundreds, pero ito ay meron ding TH. Kaya kanina, pinabasa ko sa inyo para maintindihan ninyo na magkaiba ang hundreds at hundreds. Susunod. After that, ito ang tinatawag nating thousands. Kagaya kanina, nagdadagdag ulit tayo ng TH dito, kaya ang basa na sa kanya ay thousands. At ang pinakahuli nating numero, ayon sa pwestong ito, ay ang tinatawag natin na 10,000s. Sa madaling salita, ito po ang tinatawag natin na place value. Mga bata, tatandaan natin, basahin ng sabay-sabay ang place value na nasa left side ng ating decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Lumipat tayo sa susunod. Going to the right side of the decimal point. Ready? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ibig sabihin nun, kapag tinukoy natin ang place value, inaalam natin ang pagkakaayos ng isang latag ng numero o bilang. Subukan natin ha. Let's try it. Ilalagay ko doon yung mga numero. Number 1. Paano kung ito ang aking ibinigay na numero? At ginuhitan ko yung number 3. Ano kaya sa tingin ninyo ang kanyang place value ayon sa aking itinuro? Bibigyan ko kayo ng 10 segundo, i-type ang sagot sa inyong mga computer, sa inyong cellphone, o maaaring isulat sa inyong papel. Simulan natin ang 10 segundo. Ano ang place value ng 3? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang place value ng 3 sa ating pong system na ipinakita, yan po ay, kung ang sagot mo ay hundreds, tama ka. Tandaan, mayroong TH dapat. Hundreds, dahil ito po ay tens, hundreds. Nakuha ba? Lumipat tayo sa pangalawa. Susunod na bilang, halimbawa, ang aking binigay na numero ay ito. At ang aking ginuhitan ay ang number 1. Ano kaya sa tingin ninyo ang place value ng 1? Makikita siya pagkatapos ng decimal point. Bibigyan kita ng 10 segundo. Tukuyin ang place value ng 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kung ang iyong sagot ay tens, tama ka. Kinakailangan mayroong pong TH sa inyong sinulat. Tandaan, kapag tayo ay tumukoy ng mga numero papunta sa kaliwa o left side ng ating decimal point, yan ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. At kapag tayo ay tumukoy ng numero papunta naman sa kanan, going to the right side of the decimal point, our place value are as follows: tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Sa mga magulang na nanonood ngayon, importante na ma-memorize ng inyong mga anak ang pagkakasunod-sunod po nito para masagutan nila ang pagsasanay. Mga bata, kung kayo ay natuwa sa ating gawain, lilipat ako muli sa aking computer dahil tayo ay magkakaroon ng online game. Tama ka ng iyong narinig. Nais kong bisitahin mo ang link na aming ibibigay, place value. Ito rin ay makikita sa DepEd Commons, kung saan naghanda ako ng isang interactive game. Tutukuyin ninyo ang mga nakabuhit na numero ayon sa kanyang place value. Kung yan ba ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, tens, hundreds, thousands, o 10,000s. Handa na ba? Balik ako sa aking pwesto. Okay, sa ating pong mga mag-aral, Sir, okay na, naririnig na ako. So sa ating pong mga learners, ako po ay magpapakita ng link. Ito po ay makikita po sa DepEd Commons. So sa ating pong webinar director, maglalagay din po sila ng link dyan. Makikita po sa DepEd Commons ang place value. Hanapin lamang po ito. Ayan, nakalagay place value po, hindi pa value, nasa place value. And then you have here the go to link. Click that. At naghanda ako ng isang online game. Sabay-sabay natin itong sasagutan. Okay? Share ko lang po ang aking screen. Pagka-click po ninyo ng link, itatype ninyo ang inyong pangalan and click the word start. Sa mga magulang na nanonood, maaari ninyong gabayan ang inyong anak. At gaya ng aking itinuro kanina, we will have our very first game, determine the place value of the underlined numbers. Let's begin our game. Sa mga online, pwedeng sumagot. Number 1. Give the place value of the underlined digit. The digit is 4. What do you think is the answer? Tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Type down your answer or click it. Go! Those who are watching currently online, you may give us your answers by typing down your answers. Pwede niyong piliin din ang tamang sagot kung ito ba ay tens, hundreds, thousands, o 10,000s. Ano kaya ang underlined digit natin? Ano kaya ang kanyang place value? The digit is 4. According to Queen Santiago Feliciano, it's thousands. Let's see if it is the correct answer. Let's click it. Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Queen. Dahil dyan, tama ang iyong kasagutan. Sana po nakuha rin ng iba ang tamang sagot. Let's move on. The digit is here. Look, the underlined number is 8. Ano kaya yung 8 na yan? Tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Online, ibigay sa amin ang inyong kasagutan. The digit which is underlined is number 8. Ano kaya ang tamang kasagutan? Type down now your answers. Look, the digit which is underlined is 8. What should be the correct answer? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? According to Bernie Lalaban, the answer daw is hundreds. Let's see. Correct. Very good. Same thing goes with Michelle. Very good. Joseph Cruz. Hundreds din ang kanilang kasagutan. Let's move on. The next digit, which is underlined, is number 7. What do you think is 7? Ano kaya ang kanyang place value? Tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Determine the correct answer. Type now. So those who are watching online, you could give us your answers. According to Maritel Manalo, the answer is hundreds. Let's see. Very good. Same thing goes with Merly Soberano de la Cruz. Tama ang iyong kasagutan. Let's move on. The underlined number now is 3. What is 3? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Determine the correct answer. The underlined digit is 3. What is 3? Tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Determine the correct answer. Ayan, nakakatuwa sila online. Sabi ni Jemima Linel Eclipse Domingo, hundreds daw ang sagot. Let's see. Correct. Same thing goes with amount. Ella, thank you po. Ayan, sumasabay ang ating online world. Let's move on. The underlined digit is 1. What is the correct answer? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Give us the correct answer. Online, nag-aabang ako. According to Padre Joseph Cuevas, the answer is hundreds. Let's see if it is correct. Very good. Same goes with Maritel Panalo, Grace Salem Josol. Thank you. Tama po ang inyong kasagutan. Napakahusay. Let's move on to the next digit. The underlined digit is 8. What is 8? Tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Give us the correct answer. Online, type na po. Again, the underlined digit is 8. Look onto your screen. Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? According to Rex Custodio, the answer is tens. Let's see. Correct. Very good. Same thing goes with Marty Lorraine Lopez, Bernie Lalaban. Correct po ang inyong kasagutan. Magaling. Let's move on to the next digit. Number 5. The underlined digit is 5. What is the place value? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Give us the correct answer. Again, the underlined digit is 5. What do you think is the correct answer? Okay, let's see online. Ano ang inyong kasagutan doon sa ating underlined digit which is 5? According to Kimi Dagami, thousands. Let's see if it is the correct answer. Very good. Yun po ang ating tamang kasagutan. Napakahusay ng ating mga online participants. Very good. Thank you, Miss Cecil Stefano Andaya. Tama po ang inyong kasagutan. Now we move on. The underlined digit now is 8. What do you think is 8? Look at it very carefully. The digit is actually moving towards to the left side of our decimal point. What is the place value? Is it ones, tens, tenths, or hundreds? Again, the underlined digit is 8. What is the place value? Is it ones, tens, tenths, or hundreds? According to Gina Espinar, tens. Let's see. Correct. Same thing goes with Cecil Sodano Adaya. Correct din po ang inyong kasagutan. Ayan, let's move on to our 9th question. The underlined digit is 3. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Determine the correct answer. Online, type it down. Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? The underlined digit is 3. You need to memorize the place value so that you can determine it correctly. According to Bernie Lalaban, the answer is 10,000. So let's see. Correct. Same thing goes with Mr. Joseph Cruz. Kyle Vida, tama po ang inyong kasagutan. It's 10,000. Same thing goes with Maritel Manalo. Now we move on to the last item. The underlined digit is 4. What is 4? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? Determine the underlined digit. Ano ang kanyang place value? Online world, give us your answer. The underlined digit is 4. What do you think is the correct answer? Is it tens, hundreds, thousands, or 10,000s? According to Bernie Lalaban, the answer is hundreds. Let's see. Correct. Same thing goes with Jemima Linel Eclipse Domingo and Josephine Mamalias. Ayan. So those participants na nasagutan po ito ng tama, you could play with it again and again and again. Ayan, I'll stop sharing. Ang dali lang, di ba? Nakuha nyo kagad ang unang bahagi ng ating nire-review o inaaral. Mga bata, ang place value ay dapat nating maintindihan ang kanyang pwesto. Alam dapat natin kung yan ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yan ay kapag nasa left side ng decimal point. Kapag nasa right side, magsisimula ka naman sa tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Is it clear? Ang dali lang, di ba? Ngayon, lilipat ako sa susunod na paksa. Pero bago yun, ang ating ginawa kanina ay ang inyong learning task number 1. Ayan no? From numbers 1 to number 10, we have actually answered it using the online activity. If you want to try it again for a review, you can repeatedly do that by visiting the DepEd Commons. It's an interactive game. Now we move on. Ready? Going back to the board and I'll teach you. Okay? Sige.
Happy yung mga audience. Okay, now, nakikita na ba ako sa camera? Hi! Ayan. Kasi hindi ko lang kung nakikita na ako. Ayan. So now we move on to our next topic. That is place value. At kapag sinabi natin place value, inaalam natin kung yan ba ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, or tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Ngayon, babawasan natin ng kaunti. Lumipat tayo sa value. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng isang value? This time, I am going to give a number and we need to determine its value. Ang value ay napakadali lamang. Ito ay tinutukoy natin, depende po kung saan siya nakapwesto. Okay? Let's have it. For example, we are going to look for the value of 6. Dun sa mga set of numbers na aking ibibigay. I repeat, hahanapin natin ang value ng 6 sa set of numbers na aking ibibigay. Now, I'll have my código. Open muna ako ng numbers. Okay. I have here these 5 items. And we are going to look for the value ng mga 6 na yan. So, hahanapin natin lahat ng 6. Okay? O, sabayan niyo ako kung paano ko gagawin na. Hanapin ko daw yung 6. O, guguhitan ko. 6. Ayan siya, o. Lipat tayo sa number 2. Ito yung 6. Ayan. Sa number 3, ito yung 6. Sa number 4, ito yung 6. At sa number 5, narito naman yung 6. Tinutukoy natin ang kanyang value at hindi ang place value. Ibig sabihin ng number lang ang sagot natin. At tignan kung paano ko gagawin. Step number 1. Copy the number na ating kinokopya. What number it is? 6. Copy. Dali lang, di ba? And the rest of the number, make it 0. 7, 0. 3, 0. Period. Period. 9, 0. And that's the answer. Madali o mahirap? Ang dali lang, di ba? Uulitin ko paano ko siya ginawa. We need to look for the number na pinapahanap niya ang value. Since ang pinahahanap kong value ay yung value ng 6, o-kopyahin ko lang muna yung 6. Uulitin ko para sa mga hindi nakasunod. Gagawin? Kopyahin ang 6. Kopya. After that, all remaining numbers, change it to 0. Yung 7, gagawin kong 0. Yung 3, gagawin kong 0. Copy the decimal point. And 9, change it to 0. Sir Mark, bakit yung 2 hindi mo ginawang 0 ulit? Eh kasi, hindi naman tayo naglalagay ng 2 0 sa unahan ng decimal point. Kahit isang 0 lang ay pwede. Nakuha ko ba? Ang dali lang, no? Let's move on. 6. Anong sabi ni Tutor Mark? Copy. E di kopyahin mo. And the rest of the number, copy it by changing it to 0. 7 will become 0. Automatically, 8, 0, 1, and 2 will become 0. If it is beyond the decimal point, huwag nyo nang isulat. Dahil, automatic naman yun na 0 na. Nakukuha? Therefore, our answer for number 2 is 60. That's the value of 6. Ang dali lang, no? Kung hindi naintindihan, uulitin ko ulit. Kopyahin lamang ang numero o number. Copy number 6. And the rest, change it to 0. 7 will become 0. Eh kung sinipag-sipag ka, gusto mo, lagyan pa, o dilagyan mo ng tuldok. 0, 0, 0, 0. Kasi sabi mo, Sir Mark, sabi mo, palitan ng 0 ang lahat. Kasi, kahit itong value na to at yung 60 ay pareho lang po. So, even if na hindi na natin to ilagay na may 0, 0, 0, ay okay din po. So, magbubura lang po ako, ha? Yan. So, ito lang po ang sagot natin. Madali lang ba? Iba tayo sa susunod. This is 6. O yung mga nanonood dyan, sulat na ng sagot. Kopyahin ang number 6. Kopya. Anong sabi ko? The rest of the numbers, change it to 0. 5, gawing 0. 3, gawin mong 0. 2, gawin mong 0. Decimal point. Huwag kakalimutan na, pag may decimal, lagay mo rin yung decimal. And then after that, yung 0, ano magagawa natin? 0 siya, edi 0 pa rin. Kasi yun lang ang ipap natin. Nakuha? I'll repeat it for the second time. Students, listen. Kopyahin lang ang 6. Copy. Change the rest of the numbers to 0. 5 will become 0. 3 will become 0. 2 will become 0. And copy the decimal point. And 0. Madali ba? Let's proceed. 6. Change it. Sorry, copy 6. Period. And after that, kung papalitan mo yung 0 at saka 9 ng 0, saan ka nakakita ng number na 6 at sa unahan niya 0? Di ba wala naman? And then 1, 7, and 8, change it to 0. So, parang bali wala. So, the answer, 6. The value. Again, copy 6. Kailangan pa ba natin i-change to 0 yung 9 at 0 na nasa unahan niya? Di ba hindi? Kasi pag nilagay natin ng ganyan, wala namang ganong numero unless decimal point siya. Kaya, okay lang na 6 ang ating sagot. Nakuha po ba? Kasi pag nilagay natin ng decimal point at nilagay natin ng 0, 0, ganun din naman, 6 lang din siya. Let's move on. 6. Copy 6. Next, change everything to 0. Put the decimal point. 7 magiging 0. 1 magiging 0. Okay, siya. So, kaya mo na ilagay ilan yan. Therefore, the answer for number 5, copy number 6, put the decimal point, change everything to 0. And that's how you're going to find its value. Diba? Ang dali lang. Simpleng-simple. Kung naintindihan ninyo ang gawain ito, I have prepared another activity for you to determine the value which I'm going to give. It's another online activity that can be seen or downloaded in the DepEd Commons. Look for value. And I'll go back to my station at tayo ay magkakaroon ng online activity. Sana ay natutuhan, tandaan, para makuha ang value, kinopya lang natin kung anong pahanap, at the rest, gawing 0. But of course, think many times, lalo na kung meron siyang decimal point, dahil kinokopya natin yun. Okay, let's move on.
So I'll be sharing again my screen. Ayan, di ba lipat-lipat ako? Ang sipag kong lumipat-lipat. Ayan. Please open the next link. It is value. Ayan. Nandiyan po siya. Just click go to link. And just like what we had earlier, we will have this activity at sasagutan po natin yon. Okay? Natuwa po ba kayo sa pinagagawa natin kanina? Oops. So, i-share ko po yung aking screen sa inyo. Tapos sabay-sabay tayong sasagot. So, online world, are you ready? Aba, nag-online world ako. Parang, sa bahay ba ako ni Kuya? Ready tayo, ha? Put or type your name. And then after that, make sure to click the word start. Okay? Online word. Tinuruan ko kayo kung paano hanapin ang value. Simple lang. Kuha kayo ng scratch paper. Yun ang technique doon. Scratch paper muna kayo. Tapos sulat. Palitan ng 0 yung the rest of the numbers. Okay? For this activity, we are going to have the same value which is 6 na aking nilagay kanina. Okay? Let's have our game. Give the value of the digit 6. Look, give the value of the digit 6. Technique, copy the number in your paper, change the rest of the number into 0. Determine the value of the digit 6. Type your answers. So sa mga nanonood online, sana po ay nag-e-enjoy kayo kung anong ating ginagawa. Ang ating paksa na ngayon ay value. Okay? Hindi place value, value ang aking tinuturo. Okay, according to Joseph Cruz, the answer is 6,000. 6,000. Let's see, 0.006 daw ba? Let's click it. Correct. Same goes with Kim Yuan. Ayan, ang galing. Ngiting tagumpay. Panalo. Gemma Tanoha Alfaro, very good. Josephine Mamalyas, very good. Carlos Rafael Olasiman. Ayan, ang huhusay. Let's move on. The next digit is 46.01. Ayan. 46 and 801 thousandths. Ano kaya ang value ng digit 6? Tignan to mabuti. Tinuro ko yan. Ano kaya tingin mo sa 60, 6, 0.6 or 6 tenths, or 0.06 or 6 hundredths? Type down your answer. Ang sipag online. Sumasagot sila. According to Ayan Joaquin Tangkenko, the answer is 6. Let's see. Correct. Very good. Maria Pena, Andre Joseph Cuevas, tama ang inyong kasagutan. 6 ang ating sagot kanina. Now let's move on to the third number. Ano kaya ang value ng digit 6 sa 67, and 8,000 to 10,000s. Ano ang value ng 6? Isip-isip, sabi ko nga makakatulong kung may scratch paper kayo, kopyahin lang yung value yung hinahanap at palitan ang the rest of the numbers ng 0. Ano kaya ang ating sagot? What is the value of the digit 6? According to Carlos Rafael Olasiman, it's 60. Let's see. Very good. Congrats, Joseph Cruz, Gemma, Tanoha, Alfaro, Carlos Rafael Olasiman. Tama ang inyong kasagutan. 60 po. Congrats also to Belga, Belo Len. Tama po. 60 nga ang sagot. Now let's move on. The digit is 6. Ano kaya ang kanyang value sa item na ito? 0.2356 ang technique ko, kopyahin lang ang numero, palitan ng 0 ang iba pang mga numero. Ano ang kanyang value? Online, give us your answer. Determine. Ano kaya ang value ng digit 6? Kopyahin ng 6, palitan the rest ng 0. According to Joseph Cruz, it is 6 10,000s. Let's see. Correct. Very good. Ang galing naman. According to Marilu Raquindin Barcelona, it's 6 10,000s. Very good. Let's move on. The next digit, 6 pa rin. Ano ang value ng 6 dito sa item na ito? 86 and 47 thousands. Give us the answer. If your answer is 6, then you are correct. Let's move on to the next item. What is the value of the digit 6? Look at the item. What is the value of the digit 6? Kokopyahin lang ang 6 and the rest change it to 0. What is the value of 6 in this item? If your answer is 6 tenths, then you are correct. Very good. Online, nakakahabol, napakahusay. Tama ang iyong kasagutan. Carlos Rafael Olasiman. Let's move on. What is the value of the digit 6 in this item? 67 and 8,703 10,000s. Ano ang value ng 6 dito? If your answer is 60, then you are correct. Tama ang sagot mo, Carlos Rafael Olasiman. Ang husay naman niya. Ang galing. Wala pa siyang error. Ang husay. Very good, Maria Pena. 60 is also the correct answer. Now, let's move on. Ano ang value ng digit 6 sa item na ito? 906 and 178 thousands. Ano kaya ang tamang kasagutan? What is the value of 6 here? If you choose 6, then you are correct. Now we move on to number 9. What is the value of digit 6 in this item? 567 and 3,278 10,000s. What do you think is the value of 6? If you choose 60, then you got it right. Now we move on to our last item. Sabi, nakinig, natuto, nanalo. Bilisan mo ang pagsagot. Let's move on. Number 10, the last item. Give the value of the digit 6. 870 and 2,164 10,000s. What do you think is the correct answer here? What is the value of 6? Sabi ko nga, kopyahin lang yung number and change everything to 0 to get the correct answer. Online world, show us your answer. According to Carlos Rafael Olasiman, the answer is 6,000. Let's see if that is the correct answer. Yung orange daw, according to Direct Baniked Makumpang. Ayan, sabi niya orange. Let's see if that is the correct answer. Very good. You got it right. Ngiting tagumpay at panalo. If you like this activity, you could play with it and over again, you will master the topic about value. Now, going back to me. Natuwa ba kayo? Dalawa ang natutunan nating paksa. Place value and value. Ganun lang pala siya kadali. Now, we have our very last topic, but wait, the one that we have answered is actually found in your learning task number 3. All of this set of questions are the questions posted in the online link and the one that we have answered earlier. So I hope that is clear. And let's move on to our next item. Now, I'll be staying here in my PowerPoint. Tignan natin ang inyong husay. Earlier, we have discussed about the place value. Now, give me the digit according to this item that I'll be showing to you. Okay? Magpapakita po ako ng number. Share ko ulit yung screen ko. I hope everybody is seeing now my screen. Look at this number. What digit is in the hundreds place? Look at this item. What digit is in the hundreds place? Earlier, we have discussed that if we look at the decimal point moving to the left, that is ones, this is tens, and what is in the hundreds position? That is the digit 6. Very good, Gemma, Tanoha, Alfaro. Very good, Joseph Cruz. Tama ang inyong kasagutan. Let's move on to the next item. If we are looking for the thousands place, look at that with TH, thousands, meaning that is at the right side of our decimal point, thousands place. Therefore, if this is tens, hundreds, thousands, then our digit is 2. Why it is 2? Because 3 stands for the tens, 9 is for the hundreds, and 2 will be for the thousands place. I hope everybody is getting it. Let's move on to the next one. If we are looking for the tens, what item is in the tens place? Look at our determining factor, that decimal point. Look at it at the right side because there's the TH. Right side, tens. Then, that is number 3. 3 is our correct answer. 3 is the correct answer. I hope everybody's getting it right. Let's move on to the fourth one. The number is, the place value that we are looking at is 10,000. Look, there's still the TH. If we have the TH, then it is right after the decimal point. Tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 4 is the 10,000th place. Then the answer is 4. Well done, viewers. I hope everybody is getting it. To all parents who are actually watching, it is very simple guiding your children or your son or daughter in determining the place value. Whatever it is onto the left side of the decimal point, it is in ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. If it is moving at the right side of the decimal point, that is tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. Let's move on. This is the last digit. If we are looking at the hundreds place, 3 will be the tenths, 9 is in the hundreds place. I hope everything is clear. And with that, I'll go back to myself. Look, my dear learners, we have actually answered learning task number 4. You can always go back and reviewing all of these things. Now, we still have much more things to do. Rest assured that when we answer these things, remember that if we are trying our best to answer these things out, we need to remember what is the place value and the value of a certain number so we will not get it wrong. Is that clear? Now, we move on to a quite hard topic, but I want you to listen attentively. To our grade 6 learners, I'm sorry if I need to do an extension for 10 minutes. I just need to finish it up for our grade 5 learners. Again, I will be having a 10 minutes extension first, but I'll go back to my board. Okay? Thank you.
Hey, I'm back. Nakakatawa, no? Palipat-lipat ako. Now, I'll be guiding you on how to answer or determine certain numbers, but I'll be using the items in your lesson 1, page 8. I repeat, we are looking at letter D. So you know the letter, okay? In item letter D, we'll be having numbers 1 to 8 to answer, and I'll guide you on how to do that. First, let's write down the numbers. Number 1, it says here, 342 10,000. I will guide all of you on how you're going to change this one into a number 4. Remember, kung ano ang numero siyang ilalagay ninyo. Okay? Let's have it. It says here, 342. Paano mo sinusulat ang 342? 342. Di ba ganyan natin isulat? 342. And after that, look at the word after it. It says 10,000. Your clue is the TH, therefore it has a decimal number. 10,000. Pag sinabi natin 10,000, yan lagi ay may 4 tapat lang pagkatapos ng decimal point. Put the decimal point, put 10. Bakit ganon? Kasi pag 10,000, tatandaan nyo dyan, meron niyang 4 na pwesto. May 4 na pwesto. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Is that clear? Ang dali lang, di ba? Ibig sabihin nun, kopyahin ang numero according sa kung paano natin siya binabasa. 342, 342. At ang dumugtong ay 10,000s. Anong clue? TH. Makita nyo lang yan, that's a decimal point. And then after that, by trial and error, ay, Sir Mark, Tutor Mark, ang 10,000, di ba may 4 na pwesto? O simulan mong maglagay ng 4 na linya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung bakante, 0 yun. Dali lang, no? Therefore, the answer for number 1 is this number. Easy? Let's move on. Number 2. The digit is 5 and 30. 8 thousands. Oops, nababa ko na talaga. Ay, kadili, nagbubura ako gamit ang kamay. Look at this. It says 5 and 38 thousands. Huwag kayong magugulat kapag nakita niyo yung word na end. Ang ibig sabihin ng end ay decimal point. So, tignan niyo muna yung number. 5. Eh di isulat mo. Paano ba sinusulat ang 5? 5. And, yun yung decimal point. Nakuha ba? And after that, look at the digit. It says 38. Paano ka sumulat ng 38? Lagyan mo lang, 38. However, look at the TH, it says thousands. Remember, that thousands place has 3 spaces. Tatlong espasyo. E diligan natin na 3. 1, 2, 3. The remaining one, put 0. Therefore, our answer here in number 2 is 5.038. That's how you're going to write down 5 and 38 thousands. Tandaan, pag 10,000, 4 pwesto. Thousands, 3 pwesto. O, di ba? Tinuturuan ko kayo ng technique. Huwag nang malilito. Lagyan natin ng bilog. Let's move on to number 3. It says here, 70, 6, and 2 tenths. Okay, sabi 76 and 2 tenths. May end na naman. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng end? Period. Decimal point. Okay? Let's copy. 76. Ganyan natin sinusulat yung 76. And that's a decimal point. After that, look at the number. 2. Lagay mo yung 2. And it says here, tenths. May TH. Ang tenths ay isahang pwesto lang. Isahan lang ang pwesto ng tenths. Kaya kapag nilagay natin ang isahan, edi yan yung sagot, 76.2. Easy? Ang dali lang, no? Now, here is your challenge. As an assignment, you need to answer numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because I already gave how it is formed into this format. Remember, if we have the the 10,000s, there are 4 spotted areas. If it is thousands, there are 3. If it is tens, there's 1. Wait, there's more. If we are talking about hundreds, we have 2 spaces for it. Okay? I hope everything is clear. And if you want to have further exercises with this one, do not forget to visit the Depth and Commas because this afternoon, I will be uploading another set of exercises wherein it gauge your ability in determining the competencies for this topic. Place value, and changing this one into a number format. I hope everything is clear. And this is your tutor mark for Math 5. Salamat! Grade 6, get ready! Bye-bye!